Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to customize contact form 7 per form basis. Let's say right now I put two form here. I want this form looks different compared to another one. So first thing I need to do is create the form, of course. Right now I am loading the same form here, so I need to duplicate the form. I name it contact form 2, and then the second thing I need to do is I edit this preview page for you to have a look. So this one I'm loading contact form 1. This one I will load contact form 2 that I created just now. So I update. So right now you see they looks the same, but I will proceed with the custom CSS. The code you can get it from here. This one is the official website of contact form 7, contactform7.com, styling contact form. All the CSS is here, and then I just need to copy here. Okay, this one text is for this one, for your name, for the, and then this one the email is for this field, and then the text area is for this field. So how about the submit button? The submit button is technically is very quite simple. I just need to copy this code again. Let's say this one I will wipe it off. This one I also wipe it off. The comma I also wipe it off. What I need to do is the submit button is this one. You just need to change this one, the submit. So right now you see this one. If right now I need to find the ID of the form, so I just need to right click. If you are using Google Chrome, I inspect. This one will show the ID. You just scroll it up again. So up again. This one is the ID of this form. You see, everything I highlight here. This one is the ID of this form. And then if you need this one, will have another ID. Okay, let me copy this one first. I edit as HTML so that I can copy this one. This one is the ID. So what I need to do is this one is the ID of the form. I need to replace this code. So this will be for this form. So I will repeat the process again. Click any section of this form, inspect again to get the code. This one. So I edit as HTML so that I can sorry, this one. Yeah, you see 02. So I need to copy this one. I temporarily put it here. Okay, so this one is dash. So I let me copy all this code again. I replace it here. Okay, so this CSS will be for this form. Right now I am using Visual Composer. So Visual Composer here is the custom CSS section if you want to add our additional code. So this one, because I add it here, will only apply to this page only, so other page will not affected. So if you want to add if you want to add the custom CSS to apply to every pages, technically you can do it here. You can just go to the appearance, you can go to customize. No matter you are using a paid theme or a free theme, this one should have a additional CSS section. This one you just click on here and then you paste the code there. Okay, so right now let me do some magic. This one, let's say if I want, this one is a button for this one. So let's say I want the button, the background color is CCC is gray, and then this one the color is black, and then 50% I want 100% for form 1. And then this one, I add another code, borders 2px solid, and then I want to put my color, the mesh, the theme color. So this one, the head code, I refine it. The head code, you see this one is the head code. So this is the color, the head code. So I just need to paste it here for the form 1. So white is okay, the white I can wipe it off. So the color is okay, everything. So this one, we will have the border green color. So let's preview it for you. You see this one, we have the border green color, and then this one, the button already changed, yeah, compared to this form, right? Let me tweak the second form. Let's say this one is the code for the second form. I add this border color, but I don't want green right now. I dark gray, and then the text color same. And then this one, the white, I just remove it. This one I want 50%. So this one, the background color 333 is almost black. So the text color I change to white. So this one, let's say I only want 50%. Okay, let's preview it. You see this one already changed. So both contact form, I already use different custom CSS. This one only, you see the button is only 50%. So right. So how about if I want to create some hover effect? Right now you see the when I hover the field, the color is for the border is light blue, because right now the contact form still following my theme setting. If I want this form, the second form, I want to change some effect here, so I can do it here. What I can do is this one is I copy everything, this code here. I put hover. Let's say right now is okay, I want to use green color. You see this one, green color, hover effect already changed. So how about if I want to do something extra? Let's say this one, I want the hover effect is green. This one, I want to hover effect is black. For this field only, email field only, the concept is quite simple. Actually, this one is this one. So all I need to do is right now is I only want this code. I only want this code. The comma I can remove it. So here, this one, I will remove this section, and then I will copy the custom CSS. So for the email, I don't want it green anymore, I want it black. So I can use 000 or 111, is up to you. Okay, see, this one for the email is still green, the hover effect. For the text area, email, this one and text area is still green, but for the email field, I already changed it to another color. You see, another color. So technically, custom CSS is not something very hard. It's just you just need to spend some time to learn the basic. The basics is here. The background color, you can choose your color. The color means that this is the color of your text, and then you can put your own white. And then another one is the border. This one is how many pixels you can fix it. Right now I'm using 2, or maybe you can use 1. And then solid is the border will be solid. if you want the border to have some dot, you can use dot, and then technically this is quite simple. Okay, thank you.